Have you ever heard someone say, gold IRAs are tax-free? Yeah, not exactly. And if you're a retiree with over $100,000 saved in an IRA or 401k, this mistake could cost you thousands. But what if I told you there's a smarter, legally backed way to protect your wealth and minimize your tax burden at the same time? This video could be the difference between giving more to the IRS or leaving more to your kids. So let's break it down. Now, before we get into the rules, let me tell you about someone just like you. His name's Richard. He's 67, a retired Air Force vet in Fort Worth, Texas. And like most of us, he'd built up his nest egg the old-fashioned way. Slow and steady. $512,347 tucked away in a traditional IRA. But after watching the market swing wildly last year and hearing about bank collapses on the news, Richard knew he needed a safer plan, one that didn't hinge on the stock market or the next interest rate decision from the Fed. So he took the first step. He requested a free gold IRA guide. And what he learned in one short call changed the entire trajectory of his retirement. But we'll come back to Richard in a second. First, let's clear the air. What taxes actually apply to a gold IRA? There are two main types: traditional gold IRAs and Roth gold IRAs. With a traditional gold IRA, your contributions may be tax deductible, but here's the catch. You'll pay ordinary income tax when you start taking distributions in retirement, not capital gains. Income tax. So if you're pulling out money during a high tax year, you're giving the IRS a much bigger bite than you planned. Now, with a Roth gold IRA, it's flipped. You pay taxes on the money before you contribute, but then it grows completely tax-free. And that includes the value of your gold, which means if gold skyrockets, that growth, yours. No taxes. And here's where it gets interesting. You can do a Roth conversion on part of your IRA. That's what Richard did. He rolled over $162,000 from his traditional into a Roth gold IRA, paid the tax up front, locked in gold at a great price, and now every ounce of growth is 100% tax-free. So when you see headlines about the US national debt crossing $34 trillion or Washington printing trillions more, ask yourself, do you trust where taxes are headed? Because here's the truth no one tells you. Taxes are likely going up, not down. And if your entire retirement is stuck in a tax-deferred account, you're giving the government control over your future withdrawals. Now, a gold IRA isn't about hiding from taxes. It's about being smart with them. It's about diversification, not just in assets, but in tax strategy. And Richard, he's sleeping better at night, not just because of gold, but because he finally understands how his money is protected, how it's taxed, and how to pass it on with confidence. But none of this would have happened if he didn't take that first step. So if you're a retiree with $100,000 or more saved in an IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself and your family to get this free gold IRA guide. There's zero pressure, no gimmicks, no free silver nonsense. Just a quick personalized call to help you understand if this is the right move for you. It's 100% education first. You worked hard to build your retirement. Don't let inflation, market crashes, or future tax hikes take it from you. Click the link, get the free guide, and take control of your financial future while you still can. Because one small decision today could change everything for the people you love tomorrow.